Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be watching some planes at Cable Airport, which is one of my local airports. And today is an interesting day to be plane spotting because there has been a fire for around 2 days now that has swept over the area, and it's created not great air quality, a lot of smoke and ashes, and there's a lot of wind too. So we're going to be watching a few people try their hand at landing in this smoke-induced area. Make sure to stay tuned for the 100 subscribers special coming up soon, and I'll see you guys next time. This guy's coming in with full flaps. Some serious wind coming from the west. Let's get focused on that gear. Floating. Oh my gosh. Coming in right now, we got a U.S. Army Cessna trainer. This one is going to be interesting. See how this goes. He's basically stall landing. Oh my gosh, look how little runway he's using. Come on. That was such a short landing. Oh my gosh. Right here we got a Super Cub. It's been sitting here since like January 2019. At least that's what you can see on Google Earth. These two planes have been sitting here for a while too. The Army trainer is coming back around for another try at a traffic pattern. Let's see how this goes. Right here we have I think it's called a Euro Coupe, but I saw this one on controller.com for around 19 grand. It's a vintage aircraft, came out after the war. Right here we got a Cessna doing touch and go. It's gonna take off again. Or not. Right here we got this Cessna. Looks like a 172. But you can never be completely sure. Come on. That was a short landing. I think it's just gonna take off again. Right here we got a new plane. It's a low-wing aircraft. I can't tell what it is yet. Looks to be a twin. We'll figure that out in a sec. Yeah, that's a twin right now. Interesting plane. I don't know what that is. Right here we got a Super Cub. It's been sitting here since like January 2019. At least that's what you can see on Google Earth. These two planes have been sitting here for a while too. Right here we got the 172, I'm assuming, takeoff. Yeah, that is, I'm pretty sure this is 172. Right here we got the plane we saw earlier. Some sort of twin. I'm going to look up that tail number. Here we have N3363P. Most likely preparing for takeoff at the hold short line. It's owned by Dubois Aviation Incorporated, and it's a Piper PA-23. As you can see, it is lined up, accelerating. Yeah, my camera might not keep up with this one. Wow, that thing is loud. All right. Whoa. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, I'll see you guys later. Come back next time for the 100 subscribers special, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. See you guys next time.